In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Analytics 4, GA4, with Google Search Console, a process that can be completed comfortably within 5 minutes. This guide is designed for beginners and intermediate users alike to seamlessly integrate these two powerful tools for better analysis and insight into their web properties. Firstly, let's kick things off by heading over to Google. I'll assume you already have a Google account. If not, now's the time to create one. Once you're on the Google homepage, your next section is to sign into your account. Look for the Sign In button, usually located at the top right corner of the page, and click on it. Upon clicking, you'll be prompted to choose the Google account you want to use for this setup. If you're like me and have multiple Google accounts for personal use, work, or anything else, make sure to select the one that has access to the Google Analytics 4 property you want to link with Google Search Console. Enter your password for the selected account and hit Next to proceed. Next up, once you're logged in, locate the Google Apps icon. That's the small grid of dots near your account profile picture on the top right corner. Clicking on this icon will reveal a range of services and apps connected to your Google account. Scroll through until you find Google Analytics and select it to move on to the next step. Navigating through Google Analytics to find the correct settings can be a bit tricky, but don't worry, I've got you covered. You'll need to access the admin settings of your GA4 property. Depending on your screen size, the admin button may be located in different places, but it's usually at the bottom left corner, represented by a gear icon. Click on it and you'll be taken to the administrative section of your GA4 property. Now it's time to focus on linking our GA4 property to the Search Console. Within the admin section, look for product links, or a similar section that encompasses various integration options. Google often updates its interface, so the exact wording might change, but it generally stays under the integration or data settings area. Once you've found the product links section, you should see an option for Search Console Links. Clicking on this will guide you towards making the actual link between GA4 and Search Console. You'll be prompted to add a new link. Look for a button or link saying Link, Add New Link, or Create Link, depending on the current wording Google uses, and click on it. This action opens up a selection menu where you can choose which Search Console property you wish to connect with your GA4 property. If you have multiple Search Console properties, make sure to select the one that corresponds to the website associated with the GA4 property you're working in. Once you've selected the right Search Console property, you will likely need to confirm your choice. There may be a confirmation button or checkbox click, or check it to confirm your selection. After confirming, you'll be taken to a screen to select the relevant data stream for your GA4 property. The data stream corresponds to the specific aspect of your website you're tracking in GA4, such as web or app traffic. Select the appropriate stream that matches your website. Finally, you'll have a chance to review your selections before finalizing the integration. Take a moment to ensure everything looks correct and you've selected the proper Search Console property and GA4 stream. Once satisfied, look for a Submit, Save, or Confirm button. The exact wording may vary, and click it. And that's it. You've successfully linked your Google Analytics 4 property with Google Search Console. This integration will allow you to access a richer set of data within GA4, providing insights from Search Console such as search query data, which can help you understand how users are finding your website through Google Search. Remember, integrating GA4 with Search Console is just the beginning. Experiment with the new data available, and let those insights guide your SEO and content strategies. Thanks for following along, and be sure to check back for more tutorials that will help you navigate the digital world with ease.